handsome. Yan. Happy 19th birthday to you. And yeah, I hope you will be happy today and it's your birthday. And I will take you on a date with you. So I hope you will be happy and I wish more birthdays to come. And you're my enemy, my sister. What do you call this? Kind of friend that I have. So happy birthday, and yeah, I will have a song for you to your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's pass a star. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 19th birthday, Rizan. And my sister. Say and be humble always. And ayaw binalita. Have a good day.